Existentialism in Modern Literature. Camus, Beckett, Kafka. What does it mean to be alive? Is there any purpose to life? What if there is no meaning at all? These are the haunting questions at the heart of existentialism, a major theme in modern literature. 1. What is existentialism? Existentialism is a philosophy that became popular after World War II, though its ideas started earlier. It says, life has no fixed meaning. People are free to choose, but must also face the results. We are alone in a world that doesn't always make sense. We must create our own meaning. Writers and thinkers like Soren Kierkegaard, Friedrich Nietzsche, Albert Camus, and Jean-Paul Sartre explored these ideas. 2. Albert Camus, The Stranger. This novel begins with a famous, emotionless line. Mother died today. Or maybe yesterday, I don't know. The main character, Meursault, lives without pretending. He doesn't lie about emotions. He doesn't act the way society expects. When he kills a man for no clear reason and later refuses to fake remorse, society judges him as a monster. Camus calls this the absurd, the conflict between our need for meaning and the universe's silence. In the end, Meursault accepts death, not with fear, but with peace. He realizes life has no meaning, and that's okay. 3. Samuel Beckett, Waiting for Godot. This play shows two men, Vladimir and Estragon, waiting under a tree for someone named Godot, who never comes. The entire play is about waiting. Nothing much happens. But that's the point. Nothing to be done. The characters pass time, talk nonsense, repeat themselves, and question why they exist. It's sad, funny, and deeply existential. The play shows that life is often repetitive and pointless, but still, we keep living. 4. Franz Kafka, The Metamorphosis. Kafka was one of the first writers to explore existential anxiety. In The Metamorphosis, a man named Gregor Samsa wakes up one day to find himself turned into a giant insect. His family is horrified. He loses his job. Slowly, everyone forgets him. The story is about isolation, loss of identity, and what happens when society no longer needs you. Even though Gregor's transformation is absurd, it reflects real human feelings, like being unwanted, misunderstood, or trapped in meaningless work. 5. Common existential themes in literature. Alienation. Characters feel disconnected from society or their own families. Freedom and responsibility. With freedom comes guilt and anxiety. Meaninglessness. Life has no built-in purpose, we must invent our own. Rebellion. Characters reject fake rules, even if they suffer for it. Death. The ultimate end forces us to question everything. 6. How to analyze existentialism in texts. Ask. Does the character struggle with meaning or identity? Do they feel alone or rejected? Do they face absurd events or choices? Is there an emphasis on choice and personal freedom? If yes, existentialism is probably at work. Conclusion. Existentialism teaches us that life may not come with ready-made answers. But through choice, honesty, and courage, we can still live deeply. Literature by Camus, Beckett, and Kafka doesn't give us comfort, it gives us truth. And sometimes, that's the most powerful lesson of all.